Let's begin. One hot summer day, a crow became very thirsty in search of water, but he did not got water. At last, he saw the pitcher and flew down, but the water was too low. His beak did not reach the water. He looked around and saw some pebbles lying nearby, and he suddenly got an idea. He took the pebbles one by one, dropped them into the pitcher. Soon the water came up, and Crow drank the water and flew away happily. The moral of the story is where there is a whale, there is a way. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye bye.